Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you my hair spa treatment with total natural products. No need to go to parlor, no tension of spend money, so you can try this method. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. If you have frizziness and no shine hair like me, then you should definitely try this home spa treatment. For the first step, you need a bowl and then add hot water into it. Now take a bowl and add coconut oil according to your hair length. Now wait for 2 to 3 minutes to warm oil. Now it's warm and ready to use. Hot oil therapy helps to reduce dandruff and frizziness. It also helps to increase blood flow in the scalp. You should apply hot oil twice a month on your hair and scalp. Here I use coconut oil. Coconut oil may help to moisturize and repair damaged hair. It also reduces the dandruff. Coconut oil will definitely help your hair grow healthier, thicker and longer. Friends, head massage may help reduce stress and tension. It helps to improve circulation to your head, neck and promote hair growth. This is the important step of hair spa treatment. After massage, make your hair as a bun and wait for 1 to 2 hours. If you haven't steamer, no need to be tension. Try this trick. Take a bowl and add hot water. After that, dip any cotton t-shirt. Then do like this. Cover like this. Wait for 20 minutes. Steaming is a great way to cleanse and open up your pores. That helps loosen any buildup of dirt and relax the scalp. After steaming, take any favorite your shampoo and wash your hair properly. You must apply shampoo very well to remove total oil from your hair and scalp. After hair wash, dry out your hair. You should dry out your hair 75 to 80%. Let's make hair mask. You need 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of curd and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can use fresh aloe vera gel. Now grind it well. Now your mask is ready to apply. Now divide your hair and apply hair mask section by section. Fenugreek stops your hair fall and helps reduce dandruff. It's good condition to your hair and give beautiful shine. Curd is good condition to your hair and aloe vera is also good for your scalp. After apply hair mask, tie your hair like this. Take a vegetable polythene and make shower cap like this. Now wait 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove DIY shower cap and wash your hair with normal water. Now you can see the final result. This is very effective hair mask. This hair treatment will help to shine and healthy your hair. Try to do this treatment twice a month. If you have any problem, do comment below. Hope you like this video. If you like, then don't forget to subscribe. Bye.